Good day, everybody. It's Randy with King of Solar Screens and Window Screen Manufacturers here in beautiful Houston, Texas. On location, showing you how easy it is to clean your solar screens. Each week, we take hundreds of emails of folks all over the country asking us, how do we keep them clean? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to prove it and show it to you tonight, or this afternoon. The easiest thing to do, step one, just grab your standard water hose. No high pressure, no fancy schmancy stuff, just your water hose. While that screen's in place, just give it a good rinsing. I urge doing this at least once a year, preferably in April or May. This hose is starting to squirt at me for some reason. But April or May, and the reason that is your trees tend to pollinate, turning everything yellow. And so that's a good time to get rid of it. Now, if you have some pollen that's being a little tough, just use some mild dish soap. I'm a big fan of lemon scented dish soap, and the reason is after you finish rinsing off your windows, that lemon scent hangs out on your foundation, on the ground, the flower beds, whatever's around, and it'll keep those pesky mosquitoes at your neighbor's house and not yours. And then, believe it or not, just your kitchen broom. Give it a nice little rub to knock off any of that pollen that may not have come off very easily with your water hose. That's how simple it is. And these things could easily last you a lifetime. After all, Phifer made some really great screens, and they designed them to never mold, mildew, and especially not fade. That way, the beauty will last and last. But again, just once a year is good enough. You can do it more. I do it twice, but one is great. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Give us a call if you ever need anything. Email us if you ever need anything. windowscreenmfg.com or kingofsolarscreens.com.